When you are introducing text messages, communications that are in print, audio, somebody has to identify the participants. You can't just put them in and say, this is the guy who said it. You have to lay a predicate of authentication, which the state is not attempting to do.
So I'm not allowing that weapon. It's not like you had something 15 minutes or a half hour before the incident in question. I'm not letting something in with a days before. That's number one. Number two, I know there's been no argument that 403 analysis, but I don't see how any of the pictures and the videos with all the flash and the cash and all that really has anything to do with anything. I want all those out. I'm not admitting those. I've overruled those objections. When I looked at the video, I said, nobody else, I said, I think that's too prejudicial, not probative of anything, the picture of him with the gun, and I want it out of there. You articulated that you were concerned about the video with murder on my mind, and I agree with that. That should be out as well. All right? Okay. So that's the ruling. It's the relevance objections overruled. The authentication objection, I'd admit it, but I don't want the items that I previously discussed being shown to the jury.
Alright, man, so the Snapchat memories got denied. Murder on My Mind, the music videos, the lyrics got denied. Judge John Murphy in the YNW Melly case just keep denying and denying the prosecutors, man. Another win for the defense. And I'm not gonna lie, YNW Melly went and got him some big boy lawyers, man. They just been walking all over the prosecutors. So we back. It's day 4 at the YNW Melly double body trial. Your boy Melly been dapping up his lawyers, singing music like usual, bumping, talking to himself. But it seems like homie ready to get this all over with and come home, man. So let's get into some of the key factors of what went down today in court, man. Today was the Snapchat, the social media thing, and they also had a witness who is YNW Melly's ex-girlfriend's mother, Felicia Holmes. Now, Felicia Holmes was called to the stand, and she had a hard time remembering anything, man. The prosecutors was the one that called her to the stand, but she was not in favor of the prosecutors, man. So I'm guessing they probably had to arrest her and force her to testify. So let's see what she had to say, man. As always, watching TV, make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new. You know the vibes. Gang!
I don't remember what I said to them back then, so if I was to tell you something now, I could be lying. I don't want to lie on the stand because you're going to take me to jail. So I'm saying what you want me to say.
I do not want you to say anything. I want you to tell the truth.
Okay, that's what I'm doing.
Okay. So in terms of the time frame, that was closer in time to the incident of October 26th of 2018?
If that's where you guys are saying it is.
You don't even remember?
I don't remember. Because 2018 was a very hard year for me. My husband just went to prison. My father died. I had a lot going on, so
of course.
I was really out of it.
Okay. And in terms of your conversations with the police officers that morning?
Yes. I do remember that they kind of bullied me and threatened my daughter to take her to jail for accessory after the fact. I do remember that.
Yes. And in terms of the statements that you made about what happened,
yeah.
You don't have any recollection of that? Did you read this statement multiple times?
I looked at it and I just didn't recall it, and I don't know.
And so you indicated you hoped you were truthful with law enforcement?
Yes, I did.
So, Ms. Holmes, with regards to that day, did you lie to law enforcement?
Objection, asked and answered. Excuse me, overruled. Repeat your question.
I don't remember.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Only one person can talk at a time, and there was an objection. I just wanted to be clear. All right? You asked your question again.
Okay. So, Ms. Holmes, did you lie to law enforcement?
Not that I recall.
Okay.
I don't remember.
She doesn't recall anything, and I mean anything, man. Not even her phone number. What y'all think going on here, man? Did the cops pressure her at first, and now she coming clean? Or did she snitch on YNW Melly and trying to recant now, man? Melly sent the bag over? What's going on here, man? They saying Melly little brother walked out of the courtroom and gave this lady right here a hug. Yeah, she running a play, y'all. The prosecutor straight up asked, man, how much Melly manager been giving you since this whole situation kicked off? So even the prosecutors can tell that a bag was sent or some type of play is being ran by the defense.
Looking at that, does that refresh your recollection as to what your daughter's phone number was?
I still don't recognize the number. It doesn't for me, but I don't know if that's her number. I don't recognize the number.
Okay, so you don't recognize the number?
Yeah, like 3 daughters, so I don't know.
Understood on that one. Nothing further.
I have one question.
Yes, sir.
You came here and one of your first Let me get it.
Objection, Your Honor, improper.
I haven't asked you.
Excuse me, counsel, you direct your comments to...
I'm sorry, I haven't asked anything yet.
Ask your question.
When you first took the stand, you said, "I feel threatened."
Yes, sir, I do.
Who do you feel threatened by?
Objection, Your Honor.
What the rules?
Christine Bradley, the prosecutor's office.
This prosecutor.
Yes, I do.
Thank you.
Anything else in this witness?
Yes, sir. Ms. Holmes?
Yes.
You said you feel threatened by me.
Of course.
Okay.
Alright, y'all, so the prosecutors have yet to pin any evidence tying YNW Melly to this crime, y'all. They brought up a witness who seems to can't remember anything past yesterday. The judge threw out his music. They can't use his music. He threw out the Snapchat memories. They can't use that. And they still don't have a murder weapon. So what are they actually going to try to convict this man based off? I don't know, man. But following that showdown, YNW Melly's lawyers then moved to file a motion for mistrial. They claim that the prosecutors have been playing dirty and accusing them of bribing and taking care of the witness that was just on the stand. Now, most motions for mistrial are usually denied by the judge, but Judge John Murphy said he's going to take it under advisement, and court will be back on Tuesday, man. So that's what happened today. Day 4 at trial, YNW double body trial, man. And it seems like all week Melly been taking W's, man. They ain't do nothing that hurt this man all week at court. So how y'all feel this is going to turn out, man? YNW Melly not guilty. YNW Melly guilty. Hung jury. Mistrial. What y'all think about to happen, man? Pull up in the comment sections. Let me know y'all thoughts. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Like the video. Share the video. I'm going to be responding to all the comments. If you're a YouTube lawyer, if you are a hood PI, pull up. We going to be debating in them comments, man. Y'all know the vibes. Follow me on all socials at Always Watching TV. And until next time, I'm out of here.